Hello everyone, welcome back to English Tales. In my previous video, I explained you the rules of the topic Make It Exclamatory and I gave you 10 questions as homework. In this video, we will be discussing the solutions of those 10 questions that I gave you as homework in that video. Let's get started. The first one that I have for you is she walks very slowly. This was the first sentence and you have to make this exclamatory. So, she walks very slowly. This is the word very and you have to scrap it out. I told you there are these words very, to, so, extremely. These words are to be omitted in the solution, in the answer. So, she walks very slowly and very will be omitted. Now, in the sentence, we do not have the words a or an. Okay, so if a or an are not there in the sentence, we will start the sentence with the word how. Okay, so and after how, we have to use the word which comes after this word which we scrapped out. Okay, if there was extremely word over here, extremely hot, so we would have started the sentence with hot because extremely would have been omitted. So, how slowly, from here we will go over here. She walks. Same, she walks. How slowly she walks. Exclamation mark at the end. Next one is Sonia is very clever, very lucky. So again, very will be scrapped out. Again, we do not have a or an. So the sentence will start with how. After how, we will use lucky. How lucky. Sonia is same. Sonia is. Exclamation mark. The next one is your videos are extremely helpful. Here we have again the word extremely which will be scrapped out. And again we do not have a or an in the sentence. So the sentence will start with how and then helpful. How helpful your videos are. Exclamation mark. If you too find my videos helpful, write down one of these two sentences in the comment section below. Let us move on to the next one. He is indeed a stupid fellow. Again, the word indeed will be scrapped out. Okay. Now, in this sentence, we have the word a. Okay. If a or an is present in the sentence, you will use the word what at the beginning of the sentence. So, what, and after what you will directly jump to a or an. Okay, a or an and the rest of the sentence as it is. So, what a stupid fellow he is, as it is. Exclamation mark. This will be your final answer. The fifth sentence that I gave you as homework was it is a bright day. Here we have the word a, so we will start the sentence with what a bright day it is. This will be your answer. Next one is Dheeraj sings very well. Here we come across the word very again. So very will be scrapped out and the sentence will start with how because a or an are not there. So how well, and we will go around like this. How well Dheeraj sings. Exclamation mark. It was an amazing evening. Here we have an. So what. And after what, directly a or an, and then the rest of the sentence. So what an amazing evening it was! Exclamation mark. The eighth one that I have for you is, it was a windy day. Again we have the word a, so the sentence will start with what a windy day, what a windy day it was! Exclamation mark. Moving on to the last two sentences of the homework. So Nandini is a very sweet girl. Here we have the word a and we will use what, and directly a sweet girl. A sweet girl, okay, very will be omitted. What a sweet girl. Then we will move around like this, exactly like this. You do not have to change the order, okay. What a sweet girl Nandini is! Exclamation mark. We had a wonderful time together. Here again we have a, so what a wonderful time what a wonderful time we had together! Exclamation mark. Or here is also a variation, okay. You can also write it as what a wonderful time together we had! Exclamation mark. Okay, you can directly use the same method that we used in this one and in all previous questions, like we went from here and then to here, okay. So what a wonderful time together we had, you can write this as well, or you can write it as what a wonderful time we had together. Both of these answers are correct, okay. Let me know in the comment section below how many marks did you score out of 10 in this homework test. I'll see you again with another video lesson very soon. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can check them out here. My name is Simran Mehdani and I'm signing off from this video. You take care of yourself.